Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning on how we can easily fix the can't connect to this network problem by just following the two simple steps that I'm going to show you. And the very first thing we need to do is to go and open our network settings. So just please make a right click here in the Wi-Fi icon that you have in the taskbar at the very bottom right section, and then please make a right click on that. We have here the network and internet settings. Now please make a click on that, and then you will be brought to this kind of window, the network and internet. All you need to do is just to click on this Wi-Fi, and once you do that you will have this manage no networks option. So please make sure that you have this that you will click on this option, and then once you do that you will be shown with the list of the no networks in your device, all the networks that you have already connected with in the past. And then all you need to do is just to find for the network that you have a problem with, and then click on this forget button, and then once you do that it will be disappearing from here. And then just make a click again here in the Wi-Fi icon or globe icon, and then click on this arrow key here. All you need to do is just to select the Wi-Fi that you want to connect or that you have just forgotten, and then click on this. Make sure that you have not selected this connect automatically. Please make sure that this is left unchecked, and then click on this connect button here, and then just wait for it to be connected. So just a disclaimer, I am connected with the public Wi-Fi. That's why it had or it didn't ask me for any password once I am trying to connect to it. So once you're done with this one, and try to see if it already fixes the problem. So if it already did, then you're good to go. So if it's still not, then let's just close this window, and then we will proceed with the second option, which is to go to the control panel. So please make a press in the Windows and R key in the keyboard that you have there, or you can also make a right click here in the Windows icon, go click on this run button, and then we will be opening now the run window. All you need to do is just to type control panel and then click on OK, and you will be brought to this control panel option. So here we will be going to this network and internet, and then go click on this network and sharing center. Now once you click on this one, we'll be brought to this kind of window. So please select this change adapter settings here in the left pane, and then please go to the network connection that you're connected with, and please make a click on that. Once you do that, you will see the options here at the above section. So please click on this diagnose this connection, and if you're not seeing these options, then you can also make a right click and then click on the diagnose. So if you see this diagnose option here, then please make a click on that, and it will start detecting the problem and diagnosing the problem with the network connection that you're trying to connect with. And once it says that the apply all the fix, then you can also click on the apply all the fix there, and then it will start troubleshooting the problem for you, and it will fix the problem for you. And once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then you're good to go. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video, and I hope this video help you fix the problem. So if it did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.